This job is for senior network engineer at Datacom in Perth, Australia. This is a full-time hybrid role. Datacom connects people and technology in order to solve challenges, create opportunities, and discover new possibilities for the communities we live in. Datacom is one of Australia and New Zealand's largest suppliers of information technology professional services. They are looking for the senior network engineer who will be responsible for providing on-site and off-site network support for their client's environment. You will be expected to provide exceptional levels of service and assistance to rectify and solve issues as they are reported. This will be achieved by your ability to work across a variety of teams to provide high-level technical support for data network systems, including an ability to create and maintain network documentation, maintains hardware and software standards. The role will be based at Datacom's Perth office with work from home flexibility open to citizens and permanent residents, and no sponsorships are provided at this stage. To be successful in this role, you must have a broad and comprehensive knowledge of network infrastructure, including demonstrated skills and experience. Say, is in CCIE certified or CCNP wireless certified, engineering and administration of multi-protocol routers, multi-layer switches, network security devices, and network management systems. Experience in configuring Aruba, Wi-Fi, load balancer, F5, and firewalling preferred, contributing to continuous improvement of security processes and strategies that identify and help implement tools for better vulnerability management and tracking, providing technical solutions to project delivery and design teams to contribute continuous improvement of designing technical solutions to meet operational needs. In addition to your technical expertise, you will be a strong team player and an open and effective communicator with the ability to work autonomously and contribute to overall team outcomes. The nature of this role will suit a person who works with a sense of urgency and has a proactive work ethic. If you are interested in this role, please visit Datacom Australia's website and apply from there. Thank you.